If you've been applying for literally hundreds of jobs and don't receive any feedback at all from recruiters, or if you just receive rejection notice after rejection notice, then I have a very special opportunity for you. On December 15th, I'm going to have a recruiter on the Custom Journeys podcast who currently works at Williams. Williams is an energy company based out of Tulsa, Oklahoma, but they have offices all over the country. And on this special episode of the Custom Journeys podcast, she's going to be talking about her early career opportunities at Williams. She's also going to be reviewing resumes, giving you guys feedback on how you can improve your resume. And then last but not least, she's going to be directly interacting with those of you who want to come on the show and seek advice, practice giving your elevator pitch, and then also just learn how you can improve your chances of landing a job either at Williams or at any other company. She has a ton of experience working at career centers. Part of the reason I wanted to create this new format for the Custom Journeys podcast is because I've talked to numerous early career professionals who are struggling with finding that first role, getting their first opportunity. And a lot of you either feel like, hey, I don't know how to prepare my resume, how do I improve it? Or B, they just feel like, hey, I need more face time with recruiters. If I just get the opportunity to get in front of a recruiter, a real life person, instead of submitting my resume into a portal, I feel like I can put my best foot forward and actually land the job. And so I want to create those opportunities for you guys to help you all land your first role. If you're not familiar with me and my channel, my name is Andrew Baines and I host the Custom Journeys podcast. I'm an engineer with nearly 10 years of engineering experience, and I'm also a recruiter that focused on helping you all have your successful STEM career. In addition to hosting the Custom Journeys podcast, I also recently released a entry-level job board focused on providing you guys with entry-level opportunities that don't require any experience. Part of the frustrations that early career people like you may have is that you see entry-level roles on LinkedIn or Indeed, but then when you read the job description, they're looking for folks that have 3 to 5 year experience or maybe even more. So I've created a job board that lists jobs that don't require any experience at all. So if you're an early career professional, that can be somebody that's seeking internships, co-ops, or a recent college grad, or somebody that's recently pivoted careers and looking for your first chance, your first opportunity to get your foot in the door. This job is specifically made for you. Some of the opportunities that I'll list on here are these opportunities such as this tech apprenticeship program by Accenture. I've talked about different apprenticeship programs a lot on this channel, and Accenture is one of the leading employers that offer different apprenticeship programs. So as you can see, this opportunity pays anywhere from $25 on up. A lot of these early career opportunities don't stay open for very long, so make sure you check out the job board consistently, and also make sure you apply for this opportunity at Accenture. It's not very often that you can find apprenticeship programs that don't require any experience at all. If you want the opportunity to get your resume reviewed or to interact with this recruiter, then I need you guys to go down to the description below and complete the survey that's down there. You'll have the opportunity to upload your resume and let me know if you only are interested in the resume review or if you want the opportunity to come on camera and interact with the recruiter at Williams. This special interview will take place on December 15th at 12 noon Central. In order to be considered for this first episode with this new format, I need you to submit your resume by no later than Sunday, December 10th at 12 noon Central. That way I'll have enough time to go through the different resumes and give you guys feedback on who's going to be selected for this first episode. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys take advantage of this unique opportunity. I'm really excited about this new format, and I'm hopeful that it'll provide you guys with more opportunities to be successful in landing your first job. That's it for this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with a friend, and I'll be back soon. Peace.